Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark all emails as read in Gmail at once. It will be really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your Gmail, and as you can see, I have lot of unread emails here. So go through each one of them and go and open it up and going to mark it is read. It's going to take a long time. So what we can do is mark them all as read at once. It's really easy. So what you need to do is go to the top left of Gmail, and there you will have the select option. Click on it like so. Now that will go and select 50 conversation. As you can see, what you want to do is click on select all conversation in inbox, and after you done that, you need to go to the top and click on mark as read. As you can see, there it is. It will go and affect all of these conversations. Press OK, and it will go and say loading. And as you can see, we've marked some conversation as read. We will do the same for any remaining conversation in a few minutes, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to mark all emails as read in Gmail at once. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.